5,000 years ago, people dragged stones weighing as much as 10 cars and stood them in a circle. No metal tools, no wheels, no writing. And we still aren't sure why they did it. So here's the question. What was Stonehenge for? First, the how, which is less mysterious than it sounds. It was built in stages over 1,000 years. The biggest stones came from 20 miles away, but the smaller blue stones came from Wales, 200 kilometers by people on foot. With sledges, ropes, ramps, and enormous numbers of hands, the impossible becomes merely brutal. So we mostly know how. The real mystery is why. And for that, there's one giant clue. Stonehenge is aligned to the sun. On the longest day of the year, the sun rises exactly over its main stones. And on the shortest day, it sets straight through them on the other side. So it's a calendar in stone, a machine to mark the turning of the year, the solstices, the seasons. But a calendar for what? That's where the certainty ends. It was also a burial ground. Cremated remains lie buried among the stones. Some think it was a temple, a place of healing, a gathering point for people across ancient Britain. We can read the alignment. We cannot read their minds. They left no writing at all. It wasn't aliens. It was people, with rope and stone and a deep need to track the sky. A 5,000-year-old machine for reading the heavens. We know what it does. We'll never fully know what it meant.